ক্লাস 9-এর সমস্ত ছাত্রদের আমার অনেক শুভেচ্ছা। 2021 সাল অনেক ভালোভাবে কাটবে। তোমরা খুব তাড়াতাড়ি আশা করি ক্লাসে আসবে। ক্লাস আবার মুখরিত হয়ে উঠবে। যাই হোক, 2021-এর ইংলিশের প্রথম অনলাইন ক্লাসে আজ আমি যেটা পড়াতে চলেছি সেটা হচ্ছে লেসন 1, টেলস অফ ভোলা গ্র্যান্ডপা। টেলস মিন্স short stories. Tales of Bhola Grandpa. This story was written by Manoj Das. Who is Manoj Das? Manoj Das is an Indian writer who writes in Oriya and English. He is also called a bilingual writer. He has written many novels, short stories, poems, travelogues, articles on history and culture. This particular text, that is Tales of Bhola Grandpa, is an edited version of his short story named Bhola Grandpa and the Tiger. Bhola Grandpa's hilarious adventures witnessed by a young boy who had known him very closely. The simplicity and forgetfulness of Bhola Grandpa provides an element of humor on which the story hinges. Bhola Grandpa is a very absent-minded man, and he is very simple. The two characters, two qualities, we can say two qualities of Bhola Grandpa are his simplicity and forgetfulness. Simplicity means সরলতা and forgetfulness মানে হচ্ছে ভুলে যাওয়ার প্রবণতা, absent minded. The first paragraph will read, Bhola Grandpa and his wife lived at the western end of our village. Where did Bhola Grandpa and his wife live? Bhola Grandpa and his wife lived at the western end of our village. A large bokal tree overshadowed their heart. In the bokal tree lived a small troop of monkeys. The correct sentence is, a small troop of monkeys lived in the bokal tree. A troop of means a collective noun. A troop of monkeys lived in the bokal tree. Bhola Grandpa and his wife did not mind it. What did they not mind it? They did not mind that a small troop of monkeys lived in the bokal tree that overshadowed their heart. One moonlit night, moonlit means illuminated by the moon, chandalokito. One moonlit night, we were returning from a festival. The road was long and foggy. Two adjectives, long and foggy. Foggy means kuasachonno, misty. I was riding on the village chowkidar's shoulders. Suddenly, Bhola Grandpa let out a loud wail. Bhola grandpa let out a loud wail. Everyone in our party was surprised. Why was everyone in their party surprised? They were surprised because Bhola grandpa let out a loud wail all on a sudden. We halted. We stopped. Halted means stopped. Inquiry revealed that, reveal means disclosed. Inquiry revealed that Bhola grandpa had taken his grandson to the festival. He had tightly means firmly, held on means seized, dhore rakha, to the two fingers of the boy. He did not realize when those fingers slipped means got loose, alga hoye giyechilo, slipped out. Bhola grandpa was continuing as before. Then someone asked Bhola grandpa what he was gripping, what he was holding. Gripping means holding. He remembered his grandson and let out a loud wail. He remembered his grandson and let out a loud wail. Let out means uttered. Let out is a phrasal verb. Uttered a loud wail. Wail means lamentation, a cry with loud voice, with a shrill sound. The second paragraph tells us that one moonlit night they were returning from a festival. The road was long and foggy. The narrator was riding on the village chowkidar's shoulders. Suddenly Bhola grandpa cried. The group of the people was surprised. Then Bhola grandpa recollected that he was holding his grandson. The grandson, he left his grandson. My father chose two sharp-eyed men from our party to go back with Bhola grandpa to the festival. My father chose a past form chose, two sharp-eyed men. Sharp-eyed means eye with brightness. From our party to go back with Bhola grandpa to the festival. The grandson was found before long. He had taken a cozy shelter under a cow's belly. Cozy means comfortable, pleasant. Shelter means refuge, place under a cow's belly. This story it narrates several amusing incidents which had taken place in the life of Bhola grandpa because of his forgetfulness, because of his simplicity. He completely forgot that he had taken his grandson to the festival. But when he remembered his grandson, he uttered a loud wail. At last, the grandson was found under a cow's belly. This is the first funny incident. From the first funny incident, we may set some questions. Where did Bhola grandpa and his wife live? Where did Bhola grandpa and his wife live? We will have to answer the question in a complete sentence. The answer is Bhola grandpa and his wife lived at the western end of our village. What overshadowed Bhola grandpa's heart? What overshadowed Bhola grandpa's heart? ভোলা দাদুর কুড়ে ঘরটা কি ছায়াচ্ছন্ন করে রাখত? A large vocal tree. A large vocal tree means একটা বড় বকুল গাছ. A large vocal tree overshadowed Bhola grandpa's heart. Who lived in the vocal tree? A small troop of monkeys lived in the vocal tree. There are 3 questions from the paragraph number 1. From paragraph number 2, the questions are: on whose shoulders was the narrator riding on while returning from the festival? উৎসব থেকে ফেরার সময় ন্যারেটর কার কাঁধে চড়েছিলেন? The narrator was riding on the village chowkidar's shoulders. The narrator was riding on the village chowkidar's shoulders. What had Bhola grandpa not realized while returning from the festival? What had Bhola grandpa not realized while returning from the festival? উৎসব থেকে ফেরার সময় ভোলা দাদু কি বুঝতে পারেনি? Bhola grandpa had not realized when those fingers slipped out, because he had been tightly holding on to the 2 fingers of his grandson. ভোলা দাদু তো নাতি দুটি আঙুল শক্ত করে ধরে রেখেছিলেন, তিনি বুঝতে পারেননি কখন সে আঙুলগুলো পিছলে বেরিয়ে গেছে। The answer is Bhola grandpa had been tightly. Bhola grandpa had been tightly holding on to the 2 fingers of his grandson. He had not realized when those fingers slipped out. When did Bhola grandpa let out a loud wail? When did Bhola grandpa let out a loud wail? Bhola grandpa let out a loud wail when he realized that he has lost his grandson at the festival. Bhola grandpa let out a loud wail when he realized that he lost his grandson at the festival. Where had the grandson found a cozy shelter? Where had the grandson found a cozy shelter? নাতিটি কোথায় আরামদায়ক আশ্রয় খুঁজে পেয়েছিল? The grandson had found a cozy shelter under a cow's belly. নাতিটি গরুর পিঠের নিচে আরামদায়কভাবে আশ্রয় খুঁজে পেয়েছে। The grandson had found a cozy shelter under a cow's belly. This is the first amusing incident. So, I have already told you the meaning of the words. Now I repeat. Let out. Let out is a phrasal verb. Let out means uttered. U-T-T-E-R-E. Uttered. Halted. Halted means stopped. Halted means stopped. থেমে গিয়েছিল। Revealed. Revealed মানে হচ্ছে প্রকাশ করা। Disclosed. Disclosed. D-I-S-C-L-O-S-E-D. Tightly. Tightly means firmly. দৃঢ়ভাবে। শক্ত করে। F-I-R-M-L-Y. Firmly. Held on. এটাও phrasal verb. Held on means seized. S-E-I-Z-E-D. Seized. Slipped. Slipped মানে পিছলে যাওয়া। Got loose. L-W-S-E. Got loose. Got loose. Gripping. Gripping means holding. Gripping means holding. H-O-L-D-I-N-G. Wail. Wail মানে বিলাপ. Lamentation. L-A-M-E-N-T-A-T-I. Lamentation. Wail means lamentation. Cozy, cozy means comfortable. Cozy means comfortable. COMFORTABLE. Cozy means comfortable. Cozy means comfortable. Up to this, নেক্সট ক্লাসে বাকি ফার্স্ট পার্টটা পড়ানো হবে। তোমরা এই যে পার্টটা পড়ালাম, ফার্স্ট ইনসিডেন্ট, ফার্স্ট অ্যামিউজিং ইনসিডেন্ট, তোমরা এই টেক্সটটা বারবার পড়বে। যে মিনিংগুলো বললাম সেই মিনিংগুলো বারবার শুনে খাতায় লিখবে। প্রশ্নগুলো বলেছি, প্রশ্নগুলো বারবার শুনে খাতায় লিখবে এবং প্র্যাকটিস করবে। ব্যাস।